Well, look where we are. We're in the shed. Now that it's not, oh great, spider webs everywhere. Now that it's not 1,000 degrees in here, it's actually relatively cool outside. I've got the door wide open. I'm gonna crack this, oh this window's open already. Well, I'm gonna leave this window open. I'm gonna turn the fan on vent, get that cool air flowing through here, and I'm gonna get this place cleaned up, because it needs it. Well, I think I'm at a stopping point. I've gotten pretty much everything cleaned in here. I gotta take a couple cardboard boxes to the trash. I've gotta take my hat and some rags to the washing machine. And I think that's it. I gotta come out in the morning and I've gotta turn off the charger here. Make sure these are fully charged. Put them in the box here. And then the room is pretty much clean. I think there's a few tools just lying around the yard that I need to pick up still, but this is much better, and I know where everything is now. I'm excited now that this room is clean and I can continue working in a nice clean space, hopefully. You know, I thought I'd work on the 71 a little bit today. I did get some new lights for the front here, but now that I'm thinking about it, there's not a switch inside, so I'm curious how these ever turned on. If they were wired to the regular headlights, or if they were on all the time, or what. But I'm gonna change these out, give them a little bit of an upgrade. Well, I was hoping to get something that was a little more bright for when I drive, you know, at night, but I don't think that's going to cut it. It's not very bright. The headlights are brighter. The only problem with the headlights is they point straight at the ground. So I'm going to have to do some thinking on this one. We're going to have to come back to it. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you next time.